Hello, friends. This is at Zeros, and I wanted to share today one of the good trade I had on Friday, and I thought this is a very nice pattern, and is over and over appears. I thought it's going to be a good sharing point with all of you, and also is a good recap that how I can do a better in the future. So it's a both ways. So let's look at the trade of a JNJ. So if you look at the JNJ of the 5 minutes, if you see there is a big drop in the pre-market and then from 8 o'clock to around 9:30 it just consolidated between the range of $4, and that is very interesting. So pre-market prep is very important. So you look at this only a $4, if you see the $4 range consolidation. And I also played in the morning the first opening range, but I don't want to discuss that. I want to discuss you the other trade, which is a much more interesting and a nice pattern. So let's go to the 1 minute chart, and I want to show you that how did I play and how you can play in the future, because this is the most repetitive pattern. So what is interesting about is uh, keep in mind the opening range, the pre-market opening range consolidation. Market opens up, right? It went sharply down. You see here, it's almost $4 range. It's almost cover the pre-market low of the pre-market range, and then you notice that it started consolidating again, and you see a big pullback all the way to the opening range is covered just below the before high. And this intrigued me very much. When this happens, this is a very interesting pattern. Sharply down, sharply up. See, no pullbacks, sharply up. And when I notice that it covered complete distance just before the high, and I say, okay, let's play the trade here. I wanted to enter here, which is I said, okay, before the doji star and before the doji candle, I wanted to short here, and my first target would be this support, and the next target would be a VWAP. So it's very good risk to reward if you look at it. Uh, so my 31-cent risk and my profit target is first target is $1, and second target is another 50 cents, so it's 1.5. Is very good risk to reward ratio. So I entered the trade. I wanted to show you the recording. I didn't record completely, so I cannot share the complete recording, but I just have a gist of it, what I have recorded, and I wanted to share with you guys. So this is what I have, but it's not the complete recording. uh, so is a good recap for myself that how I can do a better next. So if you look at it, this is the way I played it. So I entered here, just a slippage of few cents. I put the stop order here. Then once it broke the previous support, I added in my position, and I saw a big drop. I put the trailing order, but I don't know what happened. It suddenly pulled back up, and then I got my first partial here just before the support which I wanted to, and then I waited for it. Then second partial I took it here, and then I just took one piece more out because I just see the price action is getting slower. Uh, so I took everything out except the 50 shares, and then I took the 50 shares close to the next candle. But what I was trying to discuss you here, that this is a very nice pattern. Keep pattern is this pattern in your mind. Sharply down, sharply up, and you expect a reversal up to the VWAP. So parameters are very clear. Down, sharply up without any pullback, and then wait for the reversal, and then you short it. Hope you like it. Give me your feedback, and if you wanted to get more these kind of videos, then I would love to share my analysis with you.